Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Ps4 fully off, not rest mode. Hold the power button until you hear the second beep around 7 seconds so safe mode engages. Once the console is in safe mode, connect your controller via USB and press the PS button to pair it. This ensures inputs work during recovery. Make sure a FAT32 formatted USB drive contains the correct Ps4 update or reinstall file in the right folder structure, so the system can read it immediately. You now select the reinstall option in safe mode to overwrite the current firmware. This is the only official path to revert if you have an older full package. Choose the full system software file, not a small incremental update, because increments won't install from safe mode and can brick the console. The full package is typically large. Follow the prompt steadily and avoid unplugging power or the USB drive. Interruptions during install can corrupt the system software and force advanced recovery. Once the reinstall completes, you'll go through initial setup, re-sign into your account and restore your backup if you made one. This returns your data and settings. If the install fails, make sure the USB is FAT32, the folder path is /ps4/update/, and the file name is ps4update. Pup, then retry. Many failures are due to formatting or wrong file names. If errors persist after retries, contact Sony or seek service, because hardware faults or incompatible packages may require professional intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.